So there are other GUI tools also there. What are the GUI? IDE. What are the IDE, guys? You already know, right? IDE is nothing but a integrated development environment. Right. So what are the tools, guys? They are using Atom, Eclipse, IntelliJ, VS Code. VS Code. So what is that? So VS Code is the IDE. So how we can develop the code? So through the any one of the IDEs or Notepad or something like Clips or right. So we can use it. So I am using VSC. So what is that? VSC. So Visual Studio Code. This is a Visual Studio Code, guys. What this code is? This code is a Visual Studio Code. Don't say oh. Yeah. So does anyone knows? Chaitra and Dhananjay, do you know what is ID VS Code?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you are using so which one? You are a developer or a something like how you are, guys? You are employees or something like
Yeah, I'm working.
working as a
Data engineer.
okay, very good. Dhananjay, what about you?
I am a technical lead.
Technically.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, data engineers I think might not use the VS Code, right, Chaitra? You are using VS Code, huh?
Yes, I use VS Code.
Okay, you already know, right? VS Code.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys can download VS Code. VS Code is the Microsoft IDE, sir. So who developed Microsoft? So VS Code. So if you go to that VS Code, right, your Visual Studio Code,
Filter ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ
just it.
ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಇದು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್
So
ಇಂದ ಈ
Windows.
ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಈಗ ತಣ್ಣೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ
So Chaitra, mute on yourself. Yeah. So you just click it here or something like you can download this one. So VS Code. Okay. Just install. It will install. Okay. VS Code is the IDE, guys. This is the VS Code. Next, close the window. Yeah. This is the close the window. VS Code. Close folder. Yep, guys. So this is the one. So you open, right? It will show it here. So for example, so open folder. So what is our local repository name, guys?
Means digit 6.
DS Git 6, right? Yeah, this is our local repository. This is our local repository. So in which branch you are? So here in the down, so you are in the main branch. Okay. So you see, this is the main branch, local main branch, and this is the origin main branch. This is the local main branch and origin main branch. Okay. Here, I don't want to use the commands. I don't want to use the command line. I can use the GUI. I can use the GUI to add a commit merge. Okay. Here, new terminal. So here, new terminal, and here you need to change it to git bash. Right. Yeah. Whatever the commands you executed here, right? The same command, same way, you can execute here also. You can execute here also. And yeah, one advantage in the Windows VS Code. So you are in the git bash, right? For example, I'm closing this one. Yeah. In the git bash, if we use the code dot, if we use code.command. So it will open the VS Code with our directory, the repository. Guys, understood? Yeah, this is the dsgit 6, the same files. So this is right in the main branch. Guys, what is the command? The command is code dot. So we don't want to open VS Code and open folder. I don't want to execute that commands. I don't want to execute that way. I want to execute. So one command, that is code dot. It will open the VS Code with the your working directory, your working repository. Yes, understood? Yeah, now this is. Yeah, I want to add the files. I want to modify the code, add the file here also. So for example, I am modifying the code. So what this is abc.txt. Okay, this is the file I modify. Okay, yes. You see, so in the IDE, it's included the version control. It included the source control and version control. So once you click that, it is modified. It is modified. So what you can do, what you can do, the same. So now the file is in the working directory. You need to add, git status, git commit, git status, git log. Right? The same commands, whatever the commands we are executing here, right? The git add, git commit, the same commands we can execute through GUI with the help of VS Code. So, right? So, once you click in the source control, so, right? If you see abc.txt, what plus is nothing but addition, git add. It will move from now the code is untracked working directory and untracked files. So if you want to track them, you can use if you want to track or if you want to go to the staging, the changes will be in the staging area. You can use just plus command. So now your files are in, if you use here, git starter. You see, this is modified. So you need to commit it. So what is the commit message, right? ABC is modified. ABC is modified. Just commit. Right? You see, guys, nothing to beat commit. Working tree is clean. Git log. Right? So this is the ABC is modified. Your latest commit is ABC is modified. Okay. I want to. The still the changes are in our local main only. I want to push the changes to the remote. What is the command? Git push command, right? I don't want to do git push command. I can use this sync changes. Click the sync changes. This action will pull and push the commits from the origin main. Origin main, right? Now the changes are pushed from your local main to remote main. Now let's check it. The file is modified or not. You see, guys, ABC text is modified 1 minute ago, and the commit message is ABC is modified. Let's see the changes. Yeah, this is a file I modified. Yes, understood? So we can do the same changes through GUI with the help of VS Code or something like Eclipse. So I will show you Eclipse also. Okay, guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
The same branching and merging, will do it same like as a git bash, and we'll do it in this VS Code GUI tool also. I will show you to that part also tomorrow. Okay. So what we
Okay.
showed, yeah. So this one completed, and how we can add, commit, push, and pull on VS Code. Guys, Understood now how we can add the files to the staging area, git add, git commit, git push, git pull. Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Branching and merging and merge conflicts and revert the changes. Okay, git revert changes, git stashing, and git resetting. So git cherry pick will show you guys. Git rebase and git cherry pick also will show. Git fork. Okay.
Okay.